Hi, I am a volunteer with St. Louis Feral Cat Outreach, and I'm going to show you today how to use one of our traps. We do loan them out, and we also pay for spay and neutering and a rabies shot. And the cat will get a left ear tip, which is a universal sign that the cat has been fixed. Okay, to begin, this is a Safeguard feral cat trap. Okay, to begin with, I'm just going to show you basically how to set the trap, and then we'll go over some other things. So this is a Safeguard trap. Most of them work the same. So there's usually a clip here. You push this in, it's spring loaded. Watch your fingers. You pull this up, there is a mechanism right here that locks the trap in place. Now this is connected to this skid plate down here, and this is the plate that when the cats step on it, it will spring load the door and shut the door. Okay, so first of all, you lift up this clip and then you press this spring thing back, and there is a small clip right here that you hook onto this, and it lifts up the skid plate at the back of the trap. Okay, so first of all, you lift up this clip and then you press this spring thing back, and there is a small clip right here that you hook onto this, and it lifts up the skid plate at the back of the trap. This hook pulls the skid plate up, and then that is how the trap door shuts. So when the cat gets in, it will step on this plate and the trap will shut. Okay, so when trapping, you always want to make sure that the end door over here is properly closed, or the cat will get out. Most of them are similar. This one has a bar that goes up, and then this door can open if you need to feed or change food or that kind of thing. And this door shuts, snaps down, these hooks go over that, and this goes over that. Okay, so most of our volunteers prefer to use a liner in the trap. You can use a piece of cardboard. Soda case boxes make the perfect size, and you just slide them in right here so the cat's feet don't get caught in the bottom of the trap. It is rough on their feet. So, and we're going to leave the trap set. I'm going to pull the trap down here. So you always want to put the food on the side of the skid plate that is lifted up, because you want them to step on it, but you want to put the food on this side so that they come all the way in the trap to get the food. So usually our volunteers will put the food there. Sometimes I prefer to use a small clear dish. Any kind of stinky wet cat food usually works. Some people use sardines. I've heard of people using rotisserie chickens, whatever you prefer. Some people like to sprinkle catnip here to kind of make a trail, or use cat treats or dry food to sprinkle in. Sometimes if you do have sardines, if you sprinkle the juice here, that'll get them in the trap so that far enough where they will step on the skid plate. Okay, so most times we use a trap cover. It lets the cat, when it is trapped, feel secure. They do better when it is a dark, small place. They do not tend to freak out as bad as when you have the trap uncovered. They also will go in more if you have a trap cover on. So you want to make sure that the trap cover is not hindering the trap door, so that when the trip plate, I'm going to shut it off. Trip plate goes, it doesn't get caught in the door, and that the trap door is securely shut. So I hope this helps a future volunteer to use one of our traps to catch some feral cats. I hope this helps somebody. If you do have any questions, get with a volunteer. They'll be happy to show you.